Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Glassmeyer from First Impressions Family Dentistry in Antioch, Tennessee, and we'll be discussing how to replace a missing tooth from a denture or partial denture. Materials used typically requires the work of a dentist because of the materials needed are typically not found as a household item or in a store. Dentures and denture teeth are made out of a material called acrylic, which is a well-known plastic. Because of the specialized plastic, there is nothing in household items or a store typically that can be used. Because what will have to happen is that the acrylic tooth will have to be chemically bonded back to the denture. While there are some over-the-counter materials that involve bonding acrylic that we typically associate with nails, it is slightly different and could alter the appearance of the denture. Using a special acrylic powder and liquid, the dentist can apply it to the inside of the denture where the tooth used to sit and also bond it to the inside of the tooth. Once the material has been bonded between the tooth and the denture, it is allowed to sit in hot water for approximately 1 hour. The combination of the material and working at that hot water condition, the tooth will chemically bond back to the denture, restoring it back to normal. In conclusion, a denture tooth can be replaced back into a denture, but it typically requires the supervision of a dentist because of the lack of materials that are found over the counter.